VRTrek. Get set to boost your earnings by leveraging the most advanced video marketing techniques for 2023 and beyond. Experience top-tier, AI-integrated technology for crafting and selling exceptionally profitable virtual reality videos and images in minutes. Get interactive virtual panoramic videos, HD videos, photos with multifunctional hotspots and clickable objects links. Absolutely no technical expertise or prior experience needed. Dear friend, if you want to get this, then visit the description link below or check my bio. Embrace the future of marketing with engaging interactive virtual reality videos for 2023 and beyond. Create interactive virtual videos to get hordes of customers. A brand new way to quickly and easily present virtual interactive videos, storytelling in a simple manner. Open floodgates of red-hot leads with premium giveaways, rewards, incentives, etc. Easily connect with your audience using a dedicated image gallery. Fully showcase your business or product with your audience. Easily export your virtual videos and use anywhere. Create a 3D view and show your tour in an immersive and interactive mode. Show before and after version of a panorama in the same view by split the screen. Experience 3D virtual reality mode directly inside the browser. Be creative with extensive customization of point of interest. Profit from hungry buyers in hot niches like hospitality, business consultation, hotels and resorts, real estate, Airbnb, daycares, e-commerce, restaurants, old age homes, etc. Invite people to join your shared video with video/audio call and chat. Join the new era in video marketing. One-time payment. 0 monthly fees. Commercial license included. Dear friend, if you want to get this, then visit the description link below or check my bio. Thank you.